Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today I've got a quick box opening of something that actually isn't a watch. So to keep it a little watch related, we'll do a quick wrist check. You'll see that I am wearing my Dreyfus & Co. 1953. This was one of the Watchgang Platinum watches a couple years ago now actually. The Watchgang Platinum is the $299 level subscription from Watchgang. I actually really like this one. It does get quite a bit of wrist time. Also, guys, if you are looking at watches and you're looking for some discount codes or promo codes, I have promo codes and discount codes for Spinnaker, Aviate, and Ballast, and those links will be in the video notes, as well as if you're into old cars, guys, check out my other channel, Mileage Unknown. It's me and my brother working on some old cars, trying to keep them going down the road. We've got quite a few project cars. And let's see what we got here. And in some ways, what's in here kind of ties into cars. Well, in a lot of ways. So let's see what we got. All right, so we've actually got a custom pen from Whatapen. Looks like this is a new card from Randall. I've done quite a few videos of Whatapen pens, so make sure you check out the video list if you want to see some more stuff from him. I will also link to his Instagram and Facebook. That's probably the best way to see what he's working on. And let's open this bad boy up and take a look at what he created for me. Let's see here. All right, so this pen, obviously automotive inspired. We got a gear shift pen with tire tread hardware. Really cool. The thing that makes the pen really cool is the material that he used. So that material there is Fordite or Detroit Agate or Motor City Agate. Now, if you don't know what Fordite is, that is actually layers and layers of years and years worth of paint. They call it, I think it picked up the nickname Fordite, but obviously all the paint isn't just coming out of the Ford plants. But what happens is this paint over the years just accumulates and hardens from being heated and reheated, and people have found that it makes cool jewelry and unique pens and unique, look at the colors in that and how many years it must have taken to actually accumulate that paint. Randall had done quite a few blanks, and I kept seeing them and knew I had to have one of these pens, and I am super excited about it. I think I probably have 10 or 15 pens from Randall right now. Sorry guys, my camera doesn't want to focus that well, but I love seeing all the metallics in that paint. You know, you wonder what era some of this stuff was from. You know, was it more recent? Was it the 60s, 70s? You know, when you see that flake, makes you wonder. It's super, super cool. So I'm very excited to add this one to my collection. I actually have another pen from him that is the gear shift style pen. I think it's like a black zebra wood or some type of dark wood. The prices on his pens can range quite a bit. You know, this one, being the material's a little bit more rare, this was a little bit more expensive of a pen. So this one was, I believe, $70 plus the shipping. It's been a little while, which, you know, it's so cool. And everyone that sees my pens, definitely I keep them close to me at work because I don't want anyone stealing them, but everyone always asks where I got them from. And if you're like me and you like some unique writing utensils, like I said, I'll link to his, or you can see it right there, his Facebook, his Instagram. I'll link that in the video below. And, you know, he's done a lot of custom pens with pictures, and you name it, he's done it. And it is one of those things, you know, he's hand turning this and hand assembling these pens, and I dig them. So I'm sure this won't be my last one. Let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. I know it wasn't watch related, but how freaking cool is that pen? All right, guys. As always, thanks for watching.